Now handling nulls with if and Coalesce. So this is really an important thing, right? So you might want to replace null values with 0 for analytics purpose, and you can use if null to ensure that data is complete and accurate here. So in that case, what you can do? So if you see there is a damage property which actually contains a null value, then you can replace this with 0 value, and then you can do your extension period here. So for that, what you're doing up here, storm events extend, which is going to create a new column. Damage handled is equal to if is null damage property, then 0. Show me this one. But I think I'm not sure whether we have the 0 or a null in damage property, but still you can have a look into this one. So here, in order to first visualize that, I'd like to take this here order by then total damage here, damage property, and then ascending order. So storm order by ascending order and take top 10 value. This is going to give me the list of available options, available value here, and the damage property, everything is 0 here, so it doesn't make sense to use that. So instead of that, what if I use another one, which is the source here? For example, source ascending order take 10. So here source is also available. I think there is no null value showing up here. I actually saw some of the things where we have the null. Okay, so here we have this event narratives, and then click on run. Event narratives, where is that? This is going to give me some values here. Yeah, here you can see this is basically the blanks here. Alright, let's handle this one. So if damage handled, so you can just click a new one. This can be extend damage is equal to, I'm just giving me a name here, damage handle, and here if is null, which is damage property, then this has to be 0. If it is not, then just give me damage property here. So if you want to project, means if you want to select something, then you need to use project, and here this can be damage property and then DH. It's actually reusing this existing column here. So if I run this one, it is giving me this value here, even though the data doesn't contain any null value. So that's the reason it has not showing up any difference here. But if it is a null value, then this will work fine and it will give us the value here. Now Coalesce function for multiple column. If you have multiple column that might contains null values, you can use Coalesce to select the first non-null value. This is useful when combining data from different sources or filling missing informations. So this is basically, we can also use the same thing in Power BI. So we can just use Coalesce and then convert this into null values wherever we have null. So the function which is showing up above and below, both of them works in a similar fashion. Not the same, I'm saying similar fashion. Okay.